Third thing I would suggest on the Creality Ender 3 is to replace the start spring, which is this silver spring here, with the yellow die spring. These are called die cast springs. They are much stiffer because with the original stock spring, they will lose tension and then you bump into this a little bit and it will move. So that will throw off your leveling. And with these die springs, you do it a lot less often. And you may notice that my bed here only has one screw on the right side. And that's called a 3-point Y carriage, and I no longer suggest anyone to get that because it's not necessary. So you can save $25 right there. And again, thanks for watching and subscribe for more Ender 3 tips. Have a good day.